Narendra Modi government calls it the Samvidhan Hatya Divas, or Death of Democracy Day 50 years ago. Indira Gandhi, then Prime Minister of India, had declared a state of emergency. For 21 months, starting the 25th of June 1975, civil liberties were suspended. There was censorship in the media, mass arrests, forced sterilization, and the judiciary, their independence, was completely undermined. Today, the Narendra Modi government, in a cabinet meeting, passed a resolution condemning that emergency. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says no one should forget how the spirit of the constitution was violated by the Congress government. The Congress, on the other hand, says there has been a state of undeclared emergency in our country for the past 11 years. We get you more in this report.
"50 years later, the ghosts of emergency still haunt Indian politics. The Union Cabinet on Wednesday adopted a resolution condemning the emergency and observed a 2-minute silence in memory of the emergency victims.
The Union Cabinet reaffirmed that the people of India continue to repose unflinching faith in the Indian Constitution and the resilience of the country's democratic ethos.
As India marked 50th anniversary of emergency, proclamation by Indira Gandhi, the BJP observed the day as Samvidhan Hatya Divas. Prime Minister Narendra Modi led the attack, launching a blistering attack on the Congress, setting the tone for his party colleagues.
25 जून 1975 की आधी रात को तत्कालीन प्रधानमंत्री इंदिरा गांधी ने आंतरिक अशांति का बहाना बनाकर भारत पर आपातकाल थोप दिया था और देश के संविधान की हत्या कर दी थी। 50 वर्ष बाद भी कांग्रेस उसी मानसिकता के साथ जी रही है। उसकी नीयत आज भी वैसी ही तानाशाही वाली है।
ये 50th ईयर है, ये 50वां साल है जब देश पर इंदिरा गांधी जी की सरकार ने, कांग्रेस पार्टी ने आपातकाल लगाया था। स्वाभाविक है, इतिहास को कभी भूलना नहीं चाहिए, इतिहास से शिक्षा लेनी चाहिए। आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस विषय को ध्यान में रखते हुए समग्र भारतवर्ष में काला दिवस के इस रूप को प्रस्तुत कर रही है।
आपका अंग वस्त्र और संविधान की प्रति से माननीय गृह मंत्री जी अभिनंदन कर रहे हैं।
Home Minister Amit Shah, calling emergency the darkest chapter in India's history, flagged off the BJP's democracy yatra.
संविधान की हत्या करने के बाद इस भारत के संविधान को मौन कर दिया गया, अभिव्यक्ति की आजादी छीन ली गई, अखबारों के दफ्तर बंद हो गए, 253 पत्रकार गिरफ्तार हो गए, 29 विदेशी पत्रकारों को देश के बाहर भेज दिया और उनकी बिजली काट दी गई।
The emergency diaries, an account of Prime Minister Modi's experiences during the emergency, was also unveiled. The Congress hit back at the BJP, accusing them of attempts to rewrite the constitution.
जो चीज को सभी ने भूल दिया था और ये जो चीज समाप्त हो गई थी, इसको उछालने के लिए वो फिर कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
During the emergency, over 1 lakh people were detained by an authoritarian government, which misused internal security for its own political agenda and jailed opposition leaders and voices of dissent. Thousands were forcefully sterilized, the press censored, and slums demolished.
Very thoughtfully, the government of the day decided that this day will be celebrated as Samvidhan Hatya Divas. The celebration will be that those guilty, those who allowed such kind of transgression of humanity's rights, spirit and essence of the Constitution,
The emergency, a blot on Indian democracy, still casts a cloud on the Congress. Even after 50 years, the BJP uses it to corner the grand old party, which accuses the Modi government of misusing institutions to suppress opposition. There are lessons to be learned from the dark period of emergency that lasted 21 months. But have we? Bureau Report, India Today.